Now you are going to work with the page number 27 of your practice book. In this page, we are going to learn how to use the adverbs there is and there are. Okay? Here I'm going to give you a short explanation about this. We use there is to talk about quantity in present simple. There is used to talk about only one object, only one thing, or only one person. Okay? Well, that means that we use there is for singular, and we use there are for plural when we talk about more than one place, more than one object, or more than one thing. There are, as you can see here, are the verb to be in present. You should know we use is for singular and are for plural. Okay? Here you have an example. There is a school. We are talking about only one school. Okay? And we use the article a. But when we use there are, we are talking in plural, so we don't need to write an article here. There are two banks, more than one. Here we are talking in plural. There are two banks. I can give you another example. In my neighborhood, there is a supermarket. There is a supermarket. Only one supermarket. In my neighborhood, there are three gas stations. Three gas stations. More than one gas station. Three. Okay? Here, we are not using the negative form of that. Okay? But I can give you another example. In this case, in negative form. I'm going to use the examples. There isn't a school. There aren't two banks. Okay? In the next class, we will continue learning more about the negative form of these adverbs. Let's do the activity number 3. The activity number 3 says, read and glue. Here you are going to read this information, and after you read, you have to glue the correct picture in this space according with the description here. Okay? Let's read. Let's practice our reading. Repeat after me at home. Welcome to Middletown Springs. This is a great neighborhood. Repeat at home after me. There are two parks and a school. The school is across from the police station. There is a grocery store and a toy store. There is a library next to the bank. Repeat after me at home. There are 3 restaurants. One restaurant is between the toy store and the grocery store. There isn't a movie theater, but there is a museum behind the library. Well done. You did a great job at home. Here, as you can see, we have the negative form there isn't, okay? And that is in singular, yes. Well, now it's your turn. According with these descriptions, you are going to glue in these spaces the correct picture, okay, of the place according with this. In the activity number 4, you have to read and circle. You are going to read the sentence and circle the correct verb to be, okay? Remember, we use is for singular and we use are for plural. So you have to pay attention to the end of the sentence, to the predicate, okay, or complement. Here I'm going to give you an example too. There are 4 houses. So look at the predicate here, the complement. So how many houses are there? How many houses are there? 4 houses, yes, more than one. Well, that means that is plural, and the correct verb to be here is are, yes. There are 4 houses. Okay? Well, now is your turn.